Okay, now I've got the manifold off and it's on the bench. I do apologise, I've not filmed it all, but I have had some camera problems today. But I will go through the faults you do get with the swirl flaps. So these are your swirl flaps here. You can see them turning along there. And several things that happen are the ends wear off, and you can pull the end off there. And let's just get rid of that now. And as you can see, with this one here, let's just take the phone out, how much play you have got and how much movement forwards and backwards you've got, meaning that air's escaping. See, that one is a little loose, and that one again a little loose, and the next one, that's not too bad, and there's a little bit of looseness in that one. So what we're going to do now is open the manifold up and then remove the swirl flaps, and I will show you all how to do that. You can see on here the amount of carbon build-up. So that's going to be another problem with letting air into the engine, so we'll clean that up as well. Okay, now the manifold's apart, you can now see the build-up of carbon which is inside here. It's quite a bit inside this one. There you go, it's just after a couple of seconds of scraping. So what I'm going to do now is clean all this up, remove all the carbon from it, make it look pretty again on the inside. I mean, look at all that there, look. Right, so let's get this cleaned up. So after about 1 minute of scraping with various tools, and that is one of the reasons why your car will start poorly and smoke on startup. Right, so what I'm going to do now is get the rest of it off, use some carb cleaner and some other cleaners, and hopefully we'll get that looking like new. Okay, in this manifold, they are the plastic type swirl flaps in the aluminium bodied manifold. So what you need to do to remove them, just get your chisel, give them a smack with a hammer. And they will snap. And then pry off the top. And then the centre can pop through the hole. Let's just pull that out. There you go, just make sure all the bits have come out, which they have. Okay, that's the swirl flaps all removed now. I just want to finish cleaning it up, and then we can put it back together again. Okay, going to show you how to put one of these bungs in now. I ordered a kit off eBay, $24.99 for the 5-cylinder set. It comes with all the stops, plugs, and a little tin of the glue to pop on. Okay, I'm just going to show you on this one. Pop it in the top. Get your extremely overkill sized hammer. Make sure your socket in that is in the centre, and just give it a tap with the hammer. until it goes all the way down. See, that needs a little bit more going. See, did you hear the sound of the tone change then when it located all the way down? So I'm going to do that with the other 4. And there's also a little seal to go in the bottom end there, which fits in exactly the same way. A little bung which goes in there as well. Okay, there we go, all 5 of them fitted, and the bottom bung as well. Let's give that another wipe off, dry it off, and then we can seal it back together again. There you go, a little bit more cleaning. There we go, manifold's almost ready to go back in now. Just need to put the throttle body back on it, probably let it dry overnight because I've had some water in it and all the solvents in it, and then pop it back on tomorrow morning.